I just want to thank you for your kind words. It really motivated me, I think, in a way that we probably have helped each other out. Um, I make these videos thinking that students are watching them, but deep down, I don't know if they are because no one usually responds to me. But I hope that I had made a difference. And when you sent that email, it really touched me because it lets me know that I need to continue doing what I am doing. I want you to also know that I've dealt with some similar situations to what you're talking about, and sometimes you just feel so beat down, tired, overwhelmed, exhausted, like you just can't keep going on like that and you need a change. But it does get easier, and we're only given what we can handle, and I think it makes us stronger. Um, I told you I've kind of been in similar situations, and once you complete whatever you have started to make a difference in your lives, you just feel such a sense of pride and accomplishment. And then you really start to learn exactly how much you can handle. And you are a strong woman and you can do this. So stay motivated, keep putting one foot in front of the other, and you can do this. And the end result, you're going to accomplish your academic endeavor and make a difference in your life and in the lives of your family members too. So just keep up the good work, stay strong and motivated. And again, thank you for your kind words.